Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Happy weekend. So in today's video I ordered something from Amazon because it's gonna be a different video today, guys, because I'm gonna dress up Dobby. So I don't know what he's gonna look like, so I'm gonna show you what I ordered from Amazon.com, and this is the bag. Let's get started, guys. Alright, guys, so anyways, Halloween is just around the corner, so I went to the Halloween store the other day, guys. Thank you for watching that video. So anyways, we went to Disneyland like, I don't know, 5 years ago or something, and I think that year was the first time the Harry Potter. No, it's not Disneyland. I think it's Universal Studio. Yeah, I think it was Universal Studio. I think that year was the opening of the Harry Potter ride, and fortunately we were there, and we ride the Harry Potter. Oh my God, that place is amazing, guys. You better. I don't know. Now how it looked like. Maybe it's gonna be the same, guys. But the ride was so awesome, and it looks like you're riding on a broomstick just like in the movie, guys, so you better try it. So yeah, and then every ride have their gift shop. So sorry, guys, I kind of like knock off some of my stuff behind my camera. So anyways, this is the one that I purchased from the gift shop. It's Dobby, and it's kind of like, yeah, he's kind of like made of like a foam, guys, and then you can move his arms. Actually, his arm got, I just put it back because my niece like pull it, and then look. So yeah, they also have Harry Potter wand, and they have like a anything you can see in a Harry Potter movie. But guys, this is the one that caught my eye because I like Dobby, but in today's video I'm gonna dress him up like Harry Potter, guys, because look at him. He's kind of like a street children. No, it's not street children. He's kind of like a street elf because he was, and yeah, and this is the only like clothes that he have, only one clothes. And then so I decided to dress him up because it's a Halloween, guys, right? So I'm gonna do like a Harry Potter costume. So that's what I bought at Amazon. So I don't know what he's gonna look like. So, and this is the one, guys. So I bought it at Amazon. So let's open it. OMG, guys. So it comes in a Ziploc plastic. Okay, it comes, oh, I don't know. Okay, so this is the Harry Potter Harry Potter, what do you call this, cape or something, with a hoodie, and of course it is a Gryffindor, but I don't know what, something written in there, but I don't know what is this. Yo, it's just say magic school. I thought it's gonna be like Gryffindor, guys, right? So this is like Harry Potter cape, and then he also have a sweater and then of course the pants, and then he also have a socks, guys. Look, a small pants. So I don't, it's kind of like too big. Maybe I'm just gonna fold the one on the bottom, guys. And then his tie, of course, and this one, his white long sleeves. Alright, guys, so these were the Harry Potter costume that I'm gonna put on him, guys. And then it comes with another one, so I don't know what this is, but let me open it, guys. OMG, look at this, guys. It comes with a book and OMG, look, it has a shoes and a book. Whoa, OMG, guys, look, it comes with the glasses and what is this, like a necklace? I was not expecting this. Look, it comes with accessories too. Oh, this one is like, oh, this is the other character. Oh, okay. So this is the I think this is Hermione Granger, guys. This one is for the girls. So I'm not gonna do Hermione today, guys. I'm just gonna do Harry Potter. I don't know if this shoe's gonna fit Dobby because he got a big feet. See, it doesn't fit. So I'm not gonna put shoes on him, but he's okay to, not to wear any shoes. So it has a book, so it doesn't open. It's just like fake one, the glasses. All right, now let's dress him up, guys. So let me just undress Dobby, guys. Sorry, Dobby, you're gonna be. I'm gonna Dobby. Oops. So this is his um unwashed, grossly His pants is so big, guys. Look, maybe I can move it more closer to his belly. Okay. So the tie, I don't know how to do it. I wish. So there you go, guys. Maybe I'm just gonna put like a, like a pin, so it won't open like this. Okay, hold on for a moment. Okay, so the socks fit. It fits him. So, but I kind of like. I don't want to like put the socks on because it's not. It's not like Dobby because he used of walking bare feet, right? So I'm just gonna leave the his toes or feet like this, guys. So I'm not gonna put um any shoes or socks on him. So so far he's looking good, guys. And now the final outfit, which is the cape, the wizard cape, guys. So hold on. So this is the wizard cape. Put it on, guys. Harry Okay. The cape is too big for him too as well, so I'm just gonna fold the arm thing, the sleeves. I'm gonna pull the sleeves. And then let me just fold the sleeves. OMG, look at Dobby. He's so cute, guys. So Dobby can be an elf or a wizard, right? Look at him. Oh my god, he's so cute. And it has a hoodie. Hold on, let me put on the glasses, guys. Hold on. So Dobby have a big eye. So let me. Oh my god, it fits him. Whatever. I would just assume he's a him. Okay. Oh my. He is perfect. He looks like a wizard, guys. Are you ready? Here he goes. OMG, guys. Look, he looks like. Okay, guys. So Dobby is not an elf anymore. He's a wizard. One of the wizards. He's a Gryffindor. OMG, look, he is so cute, guys. He's wearing glasses like Harry Potter. He got a tie, he got a cape, Gryffindor cape, and the outfit is too big, but it really fits him well. So, anyways, this one I bought it at Amazon, guys. So this was, I think it was $30. So we're gonna do Hermione next time, guys. So yeah, and then he also have a wand, a magic wand in here. I think this one is for me. So, and then the shoes. This one is for Hermione, but it ain't gonna fit his feet because his feet is like too big, guys. So let me put the hoodie. So, oh. So that is Dobby with his hoodie. Sorry, the glasses keeps on falling because it doesn't fit his head. So yeah, anyways, go to Universal Studio, guys, so you can buy this toy, on their gift in their gift shop. I don't know if it's still available, but it should. I think it's still available. And then this one, you can move his arm too, and then his leg. So that's how Dobby look like, guys. And now he's a wizard. Alright, guys. So that is the complete outfit of the day. This is his ODD outfit of OO the day. OODD, whatever you call it. So that is Dobby, guys, dressed up as a Harry Potter. He's ready for Halloween. He's gonna go trick or treating, guys. I So the cape has a hood just like the one in the movie Harry Potter, and then he have his glasses on, and then the magic wand. But this one is a necklace. I think this is for me or something. This is like a freebie. So I don't know if I can put the wand in there, but let me try. Hold on. Alright, guys. So that is the complete setup. So that is Dobby as a Harry Potter. So he have his magic wand in there, the Gryffindor cape, the long sleeve, the pants, the glasses, everything, guys. So let me just turn him around. So that is Harry Potter. He looks so gorgeous, guys. So, anyways, that's gonna be my video for the day. So, hopefully, guys, you like it. And yeah, so visit Universal Studio. I don't know if you can still see Dobby in there available, but yeah. So, anyways, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a good day. Bye.